Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert 3D modes in MS World. So you can very easily insert this 3D modes in MS World. So firstly you need to click on insert. Now here you see this 3D modes. So just click on it. So this big window will be open and you can search the 3D modes, and this 3D modes will be in a online. You see here online 3D modes. So select which one you like and you can search also, like you like this one, so just click on it, and this under the sea, you see here this option, and click which one you like here and click on insert. This will be installing like this. So this is 3D modes in MS World. So this way you can very easily insert it. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and like my video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching.